Hello guys, this is leathertoolz and I'm back to the leather knife project. I'm still around, waiting to Maker's Mark to arrive, and then I'm going to feature it after that. And then I was going to talk about the wood handle, but Maker's Mark is not arrived yet. I think next week or the week after next week I will get the stamp soon, and then I can show you guys how the impression looks. And then so because of time delay and everything, I just want to switch some order, and then I just want to talk about the wood handle now. Okay, these are the three wood handles I got for my leather knife. This one is a Cully maple. It's very good grade Cully maples, pretty hard but relatively soft wood for a knife handle. And this is a Osage orange, and this wood is very strong, durable. This wood was made for a bow, the arrow and bow. So this wood was made for the bow, so it's very strong. It's really good wood. And this one is a rosewood, and dark rosewood. I told you guys I'm so tired of rosewoods and all that, so I was expecting not to use rosewood, but the rosewood is it looks good with the brass pins, so why not? I'll just try to give it a try. But this rosewood will be the least wood that I'm going to use on my knives. Maybe I will switch other woods, walnut, cherry, or whatever. I will not use rosewood as possible I can, because other makers are using lots of rosewood or cocobolo handles on their knives. So I'm thinking trying to do the different. Okay, so the two of the candidates here is these woods. This would have very thick grain to it, and this one is very fine grain, and very good different aspects, because of the mushroom thing I talked about, you guys. And then Japanese influence on my knives. I'm leaning toward to this wood. I'm not sure whether I will produce my knives in the future, or I'm just keeping it for my leather work. I wasn't sure, but just in case I want to produce my knives and sell to some of them, I need the wood handle relatively easy to get, or get the consistency of the wood supply. So I'm leaning more to this wood, because like the video I did about the Nobuyoshi, this is kind of got yellowish after the treatment of boiled linseed oil. You can still see some of the whites. This wood is actually like this white when they first comes. So I'm going to treat this with the boiled linseed oil after I put the handles on. So anyway, it will get similar colors. So anyway, what I was going to say was, this wood hole called hole, and then they are relatively soft but hard, very widely used in Japan. I think the maple or Cully maple, hard maple, is very common in Western culture. So I think the maple is the best option for me right now for a Japanese style influenced round head knife. I think maple is the best choice for the design and all the theme, because it's very similar aspects on different countries or different culture. So I think I will do the hard maple handle on my first round head knife. I am going to use Osage orange for the next knives, but I was just you know, I'm just thinking which one to use first. You know, this such one will get brownish and darker over the use, and this one also you'll get brownish and darker over the use. So I'm sure it will give you natural lusters and looks into it. So I'm going to show you a peek about my current, you know, status of the round knife. It's, you know, like I told you guys, I removed all the scratches and all the marks before stampings, you know, just to make sure, you know, they remove all the scratches, because I will going to polish this knife. I drew two holes in them, and I treated the surface, put the better adhesion of the wood, and then but you know, drilling two holes in this knife, these two holes, you know, it's relatively too close to each other, but this is very small knife, so I think it looks kind of funny. I'm not sure, so I'm just going to put a one hole. I haven't decided yet. Here's a sneak peek of the wood I cut. You know, I just pinned in so it's perfectly matched. You know, it's when I put the handle like this, I want to be as straight as possible. You know, it's very, you know, correctly. So it's the same. You know, it's flat on both sides. It's very thick wood. You know. So when I put this on, it'd be like this. Okay, I need to shape the handles. I think I did what I'm going to do with the handle. I have decided. Yeah, I have decided, but I can't really explain with the words. So I'm going to just show you how am I going to shape my handle. It's going to be like, you know, really you know, multi dimensional shape, I would just say. You know, I'm so excited to put this handle on. You know, I got this wood handle from my girlfriend. I got this for my birthday present. You know, who gets wood for birthday present? I do. I asked her to I asked to buy me this wood. It's like, I'm not sure if you can see, but there's a, you know, like tiger stripes to it. You know, it's like really, this curly maple is really good grade curly maple. It's not a cheap kind. It's very good grade. It's a presentation grade, or I say exhibition grade. So it's really nice grade wood. You know, it's curly maple, so it's pretty hard and durable, I guess. You know, I think it will looks nice on it. You know, I was thinking maybe putting stainless pin on this knife, but this would let it be white. I think this brass pin looks much better for now. Maybe I try some variants in the future, but for this knife, for this berry knife, I'm going to try a this curry maple. You know, it's going to look nice. Look how thick this wood is. Yeah. Should say this Nobuyoshi is 36 millimeters, so that is about it looks like 2 centimeters thick. It's like very thick wood. I'm going to have some, you know, very thick portions and very thin portions in this knife, and then yeah, I look so excited. I'm going to have this clean look, you know, very you know, I'm trying to put my you know, my best effort to make this knife. I'm not rushing anything. I'm just waiting for next steps and all that. You know, Okay guys, it's polished a little bit. Well, I'm just removing the scratches. I'm trying to get more of a convex edge on them. It looks just as good now, but I wanna mirror polish the live so that it's not sharp yet. So I'm going to, after heat trim it, I'm going to sharpen it. So okay, this was the latest status of my leather knife project. I just wanted to make a quick video, but then it's almost passing 12 minutes. Okay guys, see you next time. Bye bye.